Hi. Installing Netflix on your PC and creating a shortcut on your desktop, like the one I have here, is very easy. First, you need to go to the Start menu and search for the Play Store to open this app store on your PC. You can download Netflix for free, forever. Once you're in the store, search for Netflix and click Install. For me, it says Open because I've already installed it. When you install it and open Netflix for the first time, a message will pop up asking if you want to create a shortcut on your desktop. Click Yes, and then Netflix will be installed. Open it, sign in, and that's it. Thanks for look. Please subscribe.